Would you believe a forest can change the world? 6 questions. 6 ways sustainable wood is quietly and powerfully shaping life for the better. Would you store carbon in a coffee table? In Kenya, mango trees become furniture, locking up carbon and unlocking income for farmers. By 2050, long-life wooden products could store 1 billion tons of CO2 every year. Would you build a skyscraper with trees? Concrete and steel each create over 8% of global CO2 emissions. But in Norway, engineered spruce is rising high, cutting emissions and reshaping skylines with a lighter footprint. Would you trust a tree to hold back the sea? In the Netherlands, lock gates are made from African azobe. In Gabon, that same tree sustains families. Globally, forests provide jobs for 42 million people. Trees grow more than wood. They grow livelihoods. Would you choose a resource that renews itself? In Brazil, forests are planted, nurtured, and harvested, again and again. Since 2000, certified forests have increased nearly 8-fold. What other building material grows back? Would you wear a tree? Fashion creates up to 9% of ocean microplastics. In Finland, trees are spun into soft, breathable fibers, cutting waste, not style. Would you launch a tree into orbit? In Japan, engineers built the world's first wooden satellite. It burns up cleanly on re-entry, unlike metal debris. With over 140 million pieces of junk already circling Earth, wood could be the clean break space needs. From skyscrapers to satellites, tables to textiles, wood is reshaping how we live, work, and dream. As strong as steel, soft as cotton, greener than concrete. The answers are growing all around us. The only question is, would you choose them?